Begin by disconnecting the battery. There is a direct line from the battery to the starter, and failure to disconnect the battery could lead to serious injury to both you and the vehicle. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. The starter motor is located below the resonance tube, red arrow. You will need to first safely raise and support the vehicle. Then you will need to perform a partial engine drop and remove the airbox and throttle body. Next, you will need to remove the resonance tube, red arrow. Again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. Locate the starter on the left side of the engine and lift up the cover over the electrical connections, red arrow. Use a 13mm socket and remove the main line to the battery, blue arrow, and then using a 10mm socket, remove the smaller nut, green arrow. Use an E14 Torx and a series of extensions to remove the two torque bolts holding the starter to the engine, red arrows. The starter can now be carefully removed from the engine. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the mounting bolts to 45 Nm or 33 foot-pounds. Torque the 13mm nut to 18 Nm or 13 foot-pounds, and the 10mm nut to 6.5 Nm or 5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.